Guys, a very quick video for you. I'm not sure if you have seen this already, but this is how the pallet of panels is being unpacked. And I already undone some of these covers, some of these tensioning belts, so to say, right? Because, I mean, they are really giving you the pressure. So the panel, the pack of panels, 36 of those stands still and doesn't move. So what is important here, once you are transporting them, they should of course be vertically, right? Standing. But once you are unloading, you have to push them so they can hold onto something. And I have another pack of pallet, a smaller one, in size, so we'll be unpacking it later. So just now I have this kind of, I don't know, simple, because this is from the packaging of the panel of this same pallet. So I'm waiting for my friend to arrive with his pickup truck, so we will be loading him the 16 pieces of these, and they will go to his place. Everything else stays here, and some of them will go to the other place a little bit. And once he arrives, first thing we will do, we will undo all these things, and I will push this pallet to that side so the panels have a little bit of support on that end, and so they don't move, fall down, or whatever. And then we will be doing this one by one. One more thing to mention. Take a close look how they pack it. Front side. And then the other side is also front side. That's because all of those are, you see the bars, you see the stickers, right? And the sticker of this one, of the last one, is here. So this one is rotated. Specifically, I don't know why, but I think that it's probably because to safety transportation, because it was also covered with this kind of cardboard. I already had taken it away at this moment. But I mean, overall, I'm really, really impressed how they pack these things, because there were these kind of steel bars that were sitting in these places, for example. With the carton, of course, right? So I'm not just like showing you so how this was sitting, and this means this is why these pallets can be stacked up to 2 of those. So that's how they go in the container, in the Myers, for example, container, in the sea line. So that's how they get transported overseas, and that's how you generally have them. So yeah, I won't be taking too long today because, well, this is the topic of this video. So basically how to unload the pallet. So just have some support, move it there, and then one by one, slowly. Of course, you have to have 4 hands for this, so 2 people. In person, you cannot do this with these bigger panels. With smaller ones, yes, you can do it for 445 watts, for example, right? These ones, bigger ones, no, you will not be able unless you are really a tough guy, because this one weighs like 33 kilos. It's 645 watts longy panels, which are pretty cool in my opinion, and I'll be having some of those vertically installed in my place. Some of them will go to the apartment where they will be sitting on the balcony. Some of those I will be also mounting on the roof. On the 4 of them, I think, actually, they will go onto the normal standard rails, like this one, for example, the think ones. Well, what else? Let me know in the comments what do you like about these kind of panels, or what you don't. But this is something that allows our country to live now and have the power constantly, because this is the energy transformation we've been living through for the last 3 to 4 years. I believe that it's going crazier and crazier. So if you don't have any solar set up in your home, you are I don't know, you have to have it. You have to have it, and not like price wise as well, but also like just like power wise. So let me know in the comments what do you think, and see you guys later.